Year 9 Trigonometry Exam Practice Question 14. Find the size of the angle to the nearest degree. So the first thing we need to think about is what sides do we know? Well, we know that this is opposite the angle, so that is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent. So straight away I know that I'm using the tan relationship, the tan-tic ratio. So tan alpha is equal to opposite over adjacent. To get my angle by itself, I need to use the inverse of tan, which is tan negative 1 over A. And I just need to plug in my information. So I know that my opposite is 7.2. And I know my adjacent is 3.1. So if I plug that into the calculator, it's going to tell me that my angle is 66.7. Now it says to the nearest degree, so I round that up to 67 degrees. Likewise with my second triangle. It is my angle. I know I have the adjacent side. And I also know that I have the hypotenuse. So because I have the adjacent and because I have the hypotenuse, that it means that I am going to be using cosine. So cosine alpha is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. To get the angle by itself, I need to use the inverse. So alpha is equal to cosine negative 1 A over h, and I just need to substitute the information into the equation now. So we know that our adjacent side is 42, and our hypotenuse is 55. So that just means we are going cosine negative 1, and then brackets 42 divided by 55, and that gives us our angle. Now our angle states it is 42.21, so that means I can round it down to just 42 degrees.